Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to do a quick demonstration of how to correctly assemble 5300 Playmobil Victorian Mansion. I will also put a link in the description below for 70890, which is their most recent re-release of this set. Let's start off with the base plate. You'll see you have a large gray, a smaller gray piece, and then two brown. And basically you fill all of the holes with these grates, except for this one hole here on the side, which you leave open for this staircase. And then these two here have an open spot for the front stairs. We'll go ahead and put this piece in, which that's just sort of a bridge plate. Here we have the next layer. Paying attention to the wallpaper is the key to assembling this set, or reassembling it at least. Each room has its own specific wallpaper, so assuming that the person who assembled it the first time put the stickers on correctly, then you should be all set with finding the correct walls. So this is the front door. There were a few defining characteristics about this door because of its brown, and it has the grill here. Also the curtains you can pay attention to. So you can see you have a tri-connector here, a tri-connector here, as well as here, and then corners in the rest of the locations. This panel has its own tri-connector built into it. And then there's a special floorboard for this location here, which is red. And then we also have the staircase floorboard. And there's also optionally a panel that can go here if you don't want to have the staircase, because it takes up room. So there we have the next level. We also need to remember to put on the front porch cover. So that's this piece with the two pillars. It slips in and it goes underneath the trim work here. Then it has this piece that clamps on top and fits snugly. One other thing to note is between levels, these pieces go in on the more decorative walls. In all of these crevices that you see that are open, those little filler pieces go in. Unfortunately, I only have two remaining. So this level has corners here and then the tri-connector. And this wall again has a tri-connector built into it, basically. A lot of these walls are kind of in the same exact location as the lower level. The only real thing that changed is this wall. Also, this room has specialty curtains, so these are pretty self-explanatory. You just simply put them in. But this one has its own special grabber on the end. So you put this one in first, and then this one doesn't have an end, so that slips in and then goes into place. This step you could do now or after you finish building. It's just a decorative border. There you go. Here again, it's more floorboards. These ones are all just the regular, same as the bottom. This spacer goes in, and then the staircase. There we are. The top layer with the roof is the trickiest. So we have a blank part of roof that goes here because it's the back, so they wanted it to be open so you could play. So corners first, just so it holds in the other panels. And you can put these on now or later. These are just the decorative grates. So there we have one panel. Let's have another side. So the wallpaper is like this weird cardboard that's printed, and mine is already kind of damaged from previous owners. So you need to just kind of carefully fit it in. And you might want to try and do this while you're assembling the roof. It might be a bit easier, but it just sort of goes like that. These trim work pieces that click in, so it holds it in place. Now we put the roof on. Also, now you can connect all the small roofs. As far as finishing touches go on the mansion, there is flower pots that connect here, and there's flower baskets that go in every single window. These just simply click on and off. And what I did to check for the correct number of flowers is there should be one white, one pink, and one darkish red pink bouquet for each basket. Then the grate work, it's the same on the porch as well as the roof. These just are the simple regular panels. This is the only special one. It has shortened pieces that go on ends, and that's to account for the molding here. So those you just snap in, and then they connect like so. If you have any questions regarding how to build this house, just let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to check out my other videos on my channel.